Welcome to eVTOL Insights. We're here in sunny Palo Alto at the end of a brilliant two-day conference, manufacturers tour and awards. I'm here with Jason Pritchard, my colleague. Jason, how have the last couple of days been for you?
Absolutely brilliant, Simon. I think it's very clear to say that Palo Alto is arguably one of the best events we've done. We always wanted to come to the West Coast, and yesterday and today just showed how much the delegates really appreciate being with Pivotal and the wonderful aircraft that's behind us as well. But also today to hear so many different conversations about the ecosystem as well, hearing from thought leaders from the likes of Whisk, Joby, Archer, really how they're planning for the early stage operations, but as well as the OEMs. It's also about the government authorities, how are they planning for advanced air mobility, also to the supply chain, or even other really key topics that perhaps not many people might have heard of, but is very important to talk about as well. So yeah, couldn't have gone any better.
Sure. We've done some manufacturers tours. We've hired the oldest British pub in Palo Alto.
Yeah.
We've done the Global Advanced Air Mobility Awards. We've also done a conference day today with dozens of roundtables, presentations. We've had the likes of Eve, Lillian, Whisk, Archer, Joby, etc. here. What's been your highlight?
I think for me, the tours, just because everyone loves getting in front of these aircrafts and just seeing for themselves up close and personal. A couple of years ago, these were just drawings on a piece of paper. Now they're actually real and people can see up close for it. So we were super grateful for Ken and the team at Pivotal to allow us the opportunity to hear a bit more about what they're doing as a company, but also see the manufacturing for themselves and the prototypes and the sheer amount of work that goes into building one of these aircraft as well. So the delegates love that. The feedback we've had from events we've done in Singapore, in Montreal last year as well, show that they love these kinds of things as well. So going forward, whenever we're doing any events, we'll always want to try and bring that offering to delegates as this industry gets more exciting.
And eVTOL Insights has got our leaders' lunch in Paris and also in Dubai around the air shows later this year. We've got our Munich conference in Germany and our Brisbane conference in Australia. If you had your crystal ball, what do you think we will be saying at the end of this year, Jason?
It's a question I ask all my podcast guests or delegates on a panel discussion as well. So I think for me, 2026 is going to be a real crucial year for the industry. So even more crucial is going to be 2025 because we're building up to that early stage operations as well. Joby Aviation have already said they plan to fly in 2026. The vertiport at Dubai International Airport is already being built as well. Archer to that extent too in Abu Dhabi. They want to start early operations too. So two of the really key players in the market are really sort of laser focused on having a launch date in 2026. Don't quite know that just yet, but 2025 will be when we're putting all those pieces of the jigsaw on the table and putting it together as well. That's not to say that the likes of Whisk, as we heard with Jonathan Lovgren earlier today about the autonomy side of things. So I think in terms of this year, it will be a lot of consolidation in terms of all the technologies coming together as well. So it's a really exciting time for eVTOL Insights and looking forward to seeing how it all pans out.
Got it. Thank you. Well, whatever happens as the industry continues to grow, eVTOL Insights will be at the forefront of it.
Absolutely.
Jason, thank you very much.
No problem. Thank you, Simon.